Learn 2000 English words in one simple trick. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pralang. Many English learners think that they must memorize thousands of vocabulary to speak English fluently. Because of this, students try to memorize long vocabulary lists and after a few days they forget most of the words. But what if I tell you that you can learn 2000 or even more English words using a few simple tricks? Yes, it is possible. Today I will show you 3 powerful methods that will help you learn many English words quickly and easily. These tricks are used by advanced English learners and even native speakers. So watch this video carefully because by the end you'll understand how to multiply your vocabulary without memorizing thousands of separate words. Trick 1. Learn word families. The first trick is learning word families. A word family means a group of words that come from the same root word. When you learn one root word, you automatically learn many other related words. Let's take a look at the examples. Root word. From this word, we can get many other words. Act, action, active, actor, actress. So by learning one root word, you actually learn 6 or more words. Another example, create, creation, creative, creativity. You can see that one word can create many new words. If you learn around 300 root words, you can easily learn more than 2000 vocabulary words. So this is the power of word families. Trick 2. Use prefixes. The second word trick is learning prefixes. A prefix is a small group of letters added before a word to change its meaning. Let's look at some very common prefixes. Prefix un. Un means not. Fair, unfair. Known, unknown. By learning just one prefix, you already learned many new words. Prefix re. Re means again. Write, rewrite. Build, rebuild. Start, restart. So, by learning prefixes, you multiply your vocabulary very quickly. Prefix this means not or opposite. Agree, disagree, appear, disappear. Honest, dishonest. Trick 3. Use suffixes. The third trick is learning suffixes. A suffix is added at the end of a word. Suffixes often change a word into a noun, adjective, or person. Let's see some examples. Suffix er. This suffix usually means a person who does something. Teach, teacher. Drive, driver. Work, worker. Suffix ness. This suffix makes a noun. Happy, happiness. Dark, darkness. Kind, kindness. Suffix full. This suffix means full of something. Care, careful. Hope, hopeful. Power, powerful. Trick 4. Learn words in group. Another smart technique is learning words in categories. For example, learn food vocabulary together. Apple, rice, bread, vegetable, meat. Or learn travel words together. Airport, ticket, passenger, luggage, flight. When your brain learns words in groups, it remembers them more easily. Trick 5. Use words in sentences. Many students memorize vocabulary, but never use them in sentences. This is why they forget so quickly. For example, word improve. Sentence, I want to improve my English. Word opportunity. Sentence, learning English gives many opportunities. When you use a word in a sentence, your brain remembers it much longer. So remember these 3 powerful tricks. Learn word families, learn prefixes and suffixes, use words in sentences. If you follow these methods, learning 2000 English words will become much easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who want to improve their English. And comment below how many new English words do you learn every day. See you in the next Pralang video.